Hello, welcome back to Bell's Reading Corner, Reading G. Today we are going to talk about the fall cat. Mad Cat loved the season all fall. He loved to wear sweaters. He loved to pick pumpkins. He loved to take long walks with his best friend, Dog. One day, Mad Cat decided to climb a tree to see the pretty leaves. He loved to watch the leaves fall down, red and yellow and orange and brown. There was just one problem. Mad Cat didn't know how to get himself down from the tree. He was stuck. Can you help me? Mad Cat yelled down to Dog. Can you help me? Dog thought about it. After a while, a great idea popped into her head. She got a rake. She used the rake to make a big pile of leaves, red and yellow and orange and brown. Jump! Dog yelled up to Mad Cat, but he was afraid. Then, whoops! Mad Cat slipped, and fell down and down and down and down. Good news! Mad Cat landed in a big pile of leaves, red and yellow and orange and brown. Thank you for helping me, said Mad Cat. You are welcome, said Dog. Then she jumped in the big pile of leaves, red and yellow and orange and brown. I love fall, said Mad Cat. Me too, said Dog. Thank you. So this is a lesson, the reading for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.